The problem tells you that m and then this symbol, whatever you want to call it, divided by v represents the remainder of m divided by b. Not v. Is it b or v? It's b. All right, so we've got grouping symbols, and we need to do what's inside the grouping symbols inside first. So 98, circle 33. That's 98 divided by 33. And when you do that calculation, the remainder is 32. So that's going to be 32. And then circle squiggly 17 minus. And then over here, we need to do 33 squiggly circle 17. And that's 33 divided by 17, and that's a remainder of 16. Now we've got three more calculations. This represents 32 divided by 17, and that's here, and that remainder was 15, minus 98 divided by 16. I did that calculation here. The remainder is 2. And you see a pattern. You get a pattern where you probably won't even have to do the long division. You can see what the remainder is going to be. And then 15 minus 2 is 13, and that's your answer.